Cleared for takeoff, 07 right.
German wings 9525.
Takeoff thrust.
It's a routine takeoff on an ordinary Tuesday morning.
80 knots.
Cross-check.
V1. Rotate.
Just after 10 a.m., German Wings Flight 9525 gets airborne.
2-3 minutes after takeoff, they must have broken cloud and been climbing out into the sun.
Autopilot on.
Autopilot on.
They're heading northeast over the Gulf of Lion towards the French Alps. They should be in Dusseldorf in just over 2 hours. 27 minutes into the flight, the plane reaches its cruising altitude of 38,000 feet.
Marseille, German wings 9525.
The flight level 380.
Air traffic control in Marseille tracks the plane as it crosses France.
Good morning, German Wings.
Direct Irmar.
Direct Irma, merci. German wings 9525.
Irmar is a well-known waypoint in the French Alps. A point you overfly when you do this route, and then you don't talk to ATC any longer until they tell you to start your descent.
If you need to go to the bathroom, now's your chance.
Four minutes later, the controller in Marseille notices something odd.
German Wings, Marseille. Confirm what cruising altitude you're cleared for.
Flight 9525 is descending without permission.
Well, if the air traffic controller sees an airplane leaving its assigned altitude, of course he wants to know why, because he hasn't given him clearance to descend. So he, of course, wants to inquire, why are you descending?
German Wings, this is Marseille. Come in, please.
We've got a problem here. German Wings, unresponsive, descending rapidly.
It must be a big surprise, seeing this airplane descending without any communication.
The plane is dropping steadily. In just minutes, it's lost 10,000 feet.
German Wings, come in. Do you read me?
Are we landing already?
It seems odd. We shouldn't be.
The control center is now in emergency mode.
Now approaching 25,000 feet.
So maybe they need help? They are in an emergency descent or something?
German Wings, this is Marseille. Come in, please.
But to help the crew, they need to have contact to the crew.
The Airbus is hurtling downwards at maximum operating speed, an astonishing 350 knots.
German Wings, come in.
Lima, Echo, X-ray, relay from Marseille. I need you to try and contact German Wings 9525. What is their situation?
And there was even another airplane that tried to relay air traffic control's requests.
9525, how do you read?
But there was no answer.
The plane has dropped below 7,000 feet. The towering mountains loom closer. It's been 10 minutes with no radio contact, an eternity for controllers.
He's powerless. There's nothing he can do about it. He just has to watch. It must be absolutely devastating.
Pull up. Too low. Rain.
We've lost contact.
The plane's now too low to be detected by radar.
Pull up. Too low.